And you walk in your shop on Easter and you find an egg. What could this be? What? That is the best Easter egg hunt ever. Ooh.
Just a little slide project. Paying a couple bucks. We're gonna build an awning out of aluminum. I'm not gonna spend too much time on this with you guys because I got more important things.
That time. Have this thing all lit up like it's supposed to be. We're gonna start welding all that in. Super exciting. And then we're gonna do some bracing after. But time lapse, it's the easiest way for me to do this. So, ticky-tack time. Pretty late, and that's my night. So yeah, not bad though. We've got some pretty good progress. This is the weld of the night here. It's the nicest, but right at the top I can't reach. Luke's got a tiny little cup set that I'm gonna bring my other torch over there, try to outfit, see if it fits in there. And I'm gonna try to make it as small as possible. Maybe I can sneak in there and just finish the top. Other than that, I'm just gonna be back in here tomorrow and I'm gonna keep going.